Okay, good morning, session once again. So now today I'll be taking a revisions on endocrine system, which we have completed on our last class. So, Jiban, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written down the notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this was remaining to be explained. Okay, this was, I haven't explained this. Just wait a minute. You can take out the notes, all of you. So testis, all of you know now what is testis, and I don't think a brief detail about this is needed. So testis, which we find in man, which is present in man. Okay, the testis, this particular test, who is there? Please don't disturb our class. Please mute yourself. Okay. This testis, it is you can see in the diagram. This is the picture of the testis, which is present in man. And the testis, what does it do? It makes the hormone which is known as testosterone. Okay, it helps them grow facial and body hair at puberty. So puberty, all of you know now what is puberty, that they have already explained what is puberty. So at the time of puberty, or at the period when individual reach the period of puberty, okay, then what happens is that these particular hormones, it helps them grow our facial as well as our body hair. Okay, facial and body hair, and it also helps the penis to grow larger and play a role in making sperm. So this particular testis, it used to have it used to have the penis to grow larger and larger. Okay, as the age increase, our organs also, as our age increase, everything, the growth and development changes now as we grow. So in the same way, so as we grow, this particular testis, it helps the penis to grow larger, and also it plays a very important role in making the sperm. So this is all about the other gland which we could find under the endocrine system. So I hope much detail about this is not required. I hope you all understand, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us have revision on whatever we have discussed. Okay, till that. So I have taught you all about the endocrine system, right? So what was the endocrine system? What was the endocrine system? I have taught you all about the endocrine system. So let me ask question today. Say fast. What is endocrine system? Hyoda? We have completed this particular chapter, okay? What is endocrine system?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, say.
Endocrine system.
It is a
Network of a gland.
Yeah.
Gland in the body. Gland.
Yeah, say.
Gland in a body. That make a hormones that help cells
Communicate.
communicate or help to each another.
Okay, so
they are responsible for almost.
And okay, Kyoda, thank you. So endocrine system, I'm repeating again, okay? It will come in your second sessional exam. So the endocrine system, it is a network of gland. Okay, it is a network of gland which is present in our body, which that used to make our hormones and help our cells communicate each other, and also the help in functioning. Okay, and help in the functioning of each other, and they are also responsible for almost every cell, organs, and function of our body. So there are many cells, uncountable cells present in our bodies now, and we have lots and lots of organs. Okay, so all the functioning of our cell organs, whatever is present in our body. Okay, so this endocrine system is responsible for all this. So we have discussed some of the major gland, okay, that used to make up the endocrine system. What were those major gland that comes under the endocrine system, Jiban?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you please tell me the major gland that makes up our endocrine system?
Yes, ma'am. Hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, pineal gland, the ovaries, and the testes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, so what we have discussed about the major glands was hypothalamus, pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pineal body, the ovaries, and the testes. And brief details about this one by one. We have discussed everything about its locations with the image I have shown you also. Now let me ask you all, what are the parts of the endocrine system? Okay, so there were many glands, okay, that make up the endocrine system. So the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland, as well as the pineal gland, they are they are located where?
Brain.
Okay, very good. They are located in the brain. Okay, Birkasri said they are located in the brain. Okay, let me ask you again. What are the glands that are present in our neck? Yamang. Yamang, what are the glands that are present in our neck? Yamang. Okay, let me pass to Suraksha. What are the glands that are present in our neck? Suraksha.
Thyroid and parathyroid gland.
Okay, very good. Okay, next. What are the glands that are present in between your lungs? Arif. Arif. Okay, Asim. Arif, say, Arif, I can hear you now. Arif, say.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, say. वो ग्लैंड का नाम बताइए जो हमारा लंग्स का इन बिटवीन में होता है. Arif. Arif. Okay, your network is slow. Okay. Shilen, please help Arif as his network is slow. Shilen, absent. Okay, Aliza, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Thymus.
Oh, thymus, very good. Okay, thymus is the gland that is present in between our lungs. Okay, done. So what is the name of the gland that is present on top of our kidney? Bubbly? Bubbly?
Yes, ma'am.
On top of your kidney, there are cute glands, right? What are the name of those glands? Bubbly, say. You know or you don't know? If you don't know, I'll pass the question to
Adrenal gland.
Okay, very good, Bubbly. Okay, adrenal gland. These are the glands that are present on top of your kidney. Okay, so okay, name the gland that look like a fish or that look like leaves, and it is also present like behind the stomach. Jiban.
Pancreas.
Very good. Okay, the pancreas is the gland that is present behind our stomach. Okay, so can you please tell me the gland that are present in the pelvic region? Celeste.
Ovaries and testes.
Okay, ovaries is present in man or woman?
Woman.
Okay. Okay, very good. So what does hypothalamus do? What is the function of hypothalamus? Palap. We already discussed now. We are having a revision. I just want to test your knowledge. Palap Dev Barma. पलब हाइपोथैलेमस ये जो ग्लैंड है ना जो हमारा ब्रेन पे दिखाई देता है ये इसका फंक्शन क्या है ये क्या करता है I shout and I explain like anything. Can you please tell me the answer in return? Palab Dev Barma.
I don't know.
Okay. Siti, can you please tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Student, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Siti, actually, I think the network connection is also sometimes very poor. Okay, no problem. Siti, can you please tell me the function of hypothalamus, which I have already discussed? Siti, hurry up. When I explain, I never stop. I keep on explaining, and whatever question you ask, I keep on replying on that particular moment. In the same way, I want you all, I want the same feedback from you all. Siti, what is the function of hypothalamus? It seems like मैंने सिखाया ही नहीं ना मैंने कुछ भी नहीं सिखाया ना Siti? Okay, Debaji, please help Siti.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Harisa.
I cannot hear your voice, ma'am.
Other, can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That means your network is bad. I think Teresa, please. Okay, can you please tell me the function of hypothalamus? Anyone? Yeah, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, Kostab, say.
Yes, the hypothalamus is the connects your endocrine system with the nervous system. Its main job is to tell your pituitary gland to starting or stop making hormones.
Very good. ये हमारा जो pituitary gland है, उसको क्या? What will it have function or it relate with pituitary gland? Its main job is to tell our pituitary gland to start or stop making hormones, isn't it? इतना ही तो hypothalamus का काम है. ये एक organs है, okay? Hypothalamus is the organs that used to connect our endocrine system with our nervous system, okay? इसलिए brain पे present होता है. ये इसका मेन जॉब तो हमारा पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड जो है उसको बोलते हैं start making the hormones, more hormones, or stop making the hormones. It's very simple. It just give or pass the information. Okay, that's all its function. So it's very simple. Siti, try to know this. Is very simple. Okay, what is the function of pituitary gland? What is the function of pituitary gland, Dipjyoti? 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 I'm not audible, or you're just acting, or what's going on? Dipjyoti? Dipjyoti, what happened? Sleeping? Jiban, you can hear my voice, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That means Dipjyoti is doing something, I guess. Dipjyoti, I'm calling you once again. Dipjyoti, can you hear me? Dipjyoti, can you hear me? On my next physiology class, Dipjyoti, you will give a presentation on endocrine system. You will give a presentation on endocrine system. And don't just copy paste from the whatever I have discussed. I'll test your knowledge. Dipjyoti, can you hear me? I hope you can hear me. Even if you can't hear me also, I'll message you personally to give presentation on the next class. Okay, moving on. Okay, one of you please tell me the function of pineal gland. It used to make a chemicals, right? What is the name of that chemicals? Manisha?
Melatonin.
Oh, okay, good. Melatonin. Okay, melatonin. Melatonin is the name of the chemicals that used to be made by none other than but our pineal gland. Okay. And it used to help us in it used to help our body to get ready to go to sleep, because nowadays what happens is that because of some disturbances, you might have insomnia and all, sleep disturbances and all. So this melatonin, this is the chemicals that used to get us ready to go to sleep. Automatically we used to feel sleepy. Okay, next important, thyroid gland. Okay, thyroid gland. So thyroid gland used to make the thyroid hormone, okay, which control the metabolism. So there is also a parathyroid gland. So in parathyroid gland, how many under parathyroid gland, how many types of parathyroid gland we find?
4.
4, okay. Can anyone tell me what are the name of those 4 glands? Can anyone tell me what are the name of those 4 glands? Anyone? Anyone, any idea? Gustav, any idea?
Ma'am, adrenal phosphate.
Okay. Try to find out, okay? If you all don't know
I forget.
parathyroid gland, there are 4 small parathyroid gland, okay? Try to find out the name of this, Okay. Name the organ that is a part of both digestive system as well as on the endocrine system. In exam, I will be giving the question like this. Name the organ that is a part of both the digestive as well as the endocrine system. Anyone? If you know, just reply now.
Pancreas, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Pancreas is the organ that is a part of both the digestive as well as the endocrine system. Okay, and it used to make our digestive enzyme, and it break down the food into smaller particles so that our digestion can be in the normal flow. And it also used to make the hormones. What was the name of the hormones which is made by pancreas?
Insulin.
Insulin, ma'am.
Insulin, ma'am.
Okay, and I have given you all alpha, beta, delta. Alpha cell secrete what?
Glucagon, ma'am.
Glucagon.
Okay, beta.
Insulin.
Insulin.
Okay,
Insulin,
delta.
ma'am.
Delta.
Somatostatin.
One of you say clearly.
Somatostatin.
Okay, good. So those are the extra notes which I have given you all while I was explaining now. So I just want to know whether you were attentive or not, because in the PDF all those were not mentioned. So, but all those will be coming in on your second sessional exam. So okay. Ovaries is also the another organ. So it used to make a hormones what? Ovaries क्या hormones बनाते हैं?
Estrogen and progesterone.
Estrogen and progesterone. Okay, very good. Estrogen and progesterone. Okay. So what does these hormones do? What does these hormones do? Yeah, we know that ovaries used to make estrogen and progesterone hormone, right? But what does these hormones do? Say, what
They
does
help
it
to
do?
develop breast at puberty, regulate the menstrual cycle, and support a pregnancy, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. These hormone used to develop breast at puberty. Because there will be changes in the breast, no? So it used to have the breast to develop at puberty and also used to regulate the menstrual cycle and also supporting pregnancy. Okay. Testes used to make the hormones, right? What was the name of the hormones?
Testosterone.
Okay, very good. So these hormones, it used to like help in growing of our facial as well as our body hair, okay, at the time of puberty. And also it used to have the penis to grow larger and also play play a very, very important or a vital role in making this sperm. Okay, so these are all the important endocrine and its gland, okay, endocrine system and its glands, which we can find. There are thousands of glands. Other things are also there, but these are the most important, which we should know it. So I hope you all are clear with the endocrine system, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, with this, I have completed your syllabus of physiology. That is my part. Okay, so on our next physiology class, Deepjyoti will be giving a presentation on endocrine system and its gland. So I hope he could give it, or he could give it properly. Okay, Jiban, you have taken attendance.
Yes.
Okay,
Done.
you please send me attendance, okay, after the class.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then that's all for today. Okay, thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.